be your seatbelt, with my arms around you tight. When the glass breaks and shatters, and you can't see straight, could be your airbag, when it throws your heart around. Yeah, at the crossroads, somewhere off a lakeshore drive, I'll be there and tell you it'll all be alright, 'cause I can be your seatbelt, 'cause I could be your seatbelt. Never gonna let me go, never gonna let me go. I'm never gonna let me go again. I could be your campfire in the middle of the night when you need connection, and looking at the night sky. And I could be your voice rising up through the air. I could be the medium connecting you to everyone else there, or I could be your seatbelt, with my arms around you tight. When the glass breaks and shatters, and you can't see straight, and I could be your airbag, when he throws your heart around. I'll be there when it shatters on the ground. Never gonna let me go, never gonna let me go. Never gonna let me go again. I could be a backbone, standing up to authority. I could be your voice, strong, determined, and free. I can be your spirit, helping your body stand up straight and tall, no matter who tries to knock you down. Or I could be your seatbelt, with my arms around you tight. I could be your airbag, when he throws his weight around. When the glass breaks and shatters and you can't see straight, I'll be your eyes, I'll help you navigate. Never gonna let me go, I'm never gonna let me go. Think I'm gonna ever let me go again. 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 Oh, again.
Alright, just ad-libbing that. Just had that one lyric about the seatbelt and Capo 5, C, F, C, and a C sus. Yeah, just trying that out. It might be something eventually. That.